figure below is not drawn to scale, which means that you cannot use your protractor to measure the angle. They say that MPNQ is a square. They ask you to name the trapezium in the figure. So what's a trapezium? A trapezium means that there's only one set of parallel lines, one pair of parallel lines, and the only one that fits the bill over here would be this. Because this is a square, meaning that this is parallel to this. Okay, but I need to draw 3 arrows. Why I need to draw 3 arrows? Because there is really a 1 arrow here, and then there's a 2 arrow here, and then I need to draw 3 arrow. Okay, now so this one is done. So your part A, naming the trapezium, will be MLNQ. MLNQ. This is your answer. Now for part B, they're asking for find JMP. JMP, the angle they're looking for is here. Okay, now in order to find this angle, okay, let's try to brainstorm. This is a parallel line, which means that this angle and this angle add up together will give me 180 degrees. Okay, now out of this big angle and out of this big angle, I have this, I have this. Now I need to find this. Once I found this, I can take 180 minus 32 minus this minus 57. I'll be able to find this one. So I have to find this one first. In order to find this one, do you know that this is a square, right? As they mentioned. So this will be 90 degrees. Okay, which means how to find this one? Take 180 minus 90 minus 32, you'll be able to get this one. So the first step, find angle PLM. Angle PLM will give me 180 minus 90 minus 32. Okay, and this will give me 58. Now, so this one will be 58 degrees. If this is 58, this is 57, this one is 32. Then to find a question mark, we will just be taking 180 because interior angle, right? This one, this one, this one. These two are the interior angles. Okay, so the two interior angles will add up to 180. So to find angle JMP, take 180 minus 32 minus 58 minus 57. Okay, so it will be 180 minus 90 minus 57. So that will be 90 minus 57. Sorry, you cannot see, right? Okay, 90 minus 57, that will give me 33. Yeah, 33. And then the reasoning would be interior angle. INT angle. Interior angle. Okay, done.